Hi everybody, today I wanted to show you some enhancement to our API node. So the API node is available over here. If I just go add node, go right to the bottom, there's the API node over there. It's only available on the highest price plan, so if you don't have access to it, then please get back to us. So what you can do is with the API node is halfway through your decision tree somewhere. So let's assume that your customers have come down or your leads have come down a certain path, and now you need to grab data from information you've already captured about them. So say someone has shown you their gender or postcode or needs, wants, requirements, pain, and you can take that information, price, income, something of that sort, to bring back prices from third-party systems such as the value of a home and price of insurance payments, mortgage recalculations, any kind of live third-party system where you can bring back data so you can enrich either the lead or alternatively use that information to enhance the experience through the decision tree. This is a fairly advanced use case of LeadsHook. If you do want to do that or are looking to do that, this is going to be something you will need to use. And that's where the API node comes in. Now I'm going to show the example with XML just to show you the new capability we've just added with XML, but the same thing will work if it's JSON content. You're going to push through either a post or a get and get back some information from your third-party platform. So in this case, it's a very simple one that I think this is given by Amazon just for testing purposes. You can go ahead and test the response. You don't need to have an active campaign or an active decision tree, I should say, to be able to use the test request feature. That's just to, you can put your payload over here, put in your request over here, and see what happens. So I'm just going to go test request, and this is the XML response that we're getting back, and immediately LeadsHook has grabbed the fields, because normally with XML it's a royal pain to work out what fields have come through, and you need specialist tools to do that. We've added that for you, so this way you'll see automatically all the fields that have come through sitting as fields over here. You can move immediately to the field mapper and go and adjust the fields exactly where you want them. So you could have one for your success if you're tracking that, success and failure. Then you can use the values immediately to take them down a different path or ask them different questions. Similarly, we've got country, region, code, latitude, longitude, all sorts of stuff. You can go ahead and add this to wherever you want, into any custom field that you want, and basically that's your field mapping done. And now you can use these values in a decision node to drive people in multiple different directions, right? So if this sounds a little bit complicated, it's not. It's just a unique feature set of LeadsHook. Once you learn the advanced capability, this sort of things start becoming quite handy. To build this yourself or to have a third-party developer do this, it's a couple of grand at least, a couple of $1,000 of savings right here just by using something like this. All right, so I hope that shares with you what to do and how the field mapping works for the API node, which is you put in your URL, put in your headers. If you have an API key, that sort of thing will go down over here. Your payload is over here, and do the test request. Comes through. LeadsHook will pick up the values, whether it be JSON or XML or plain text, and then go to proceed to field mapping to map that, and our fields are saved and available for you to use inside your decision tree. All right. So I hope that gives you a good overview of this new advanced capability that you have inside LeadsHook. Use it, and look forward to hearing from you guys soon. Thank you, and bye for now.